This is the Python IDLE environment. B assignment 20, C assignment A plus B. Then I want to print that result. Print sum of A and B is double quotes, comma, C, close parenthesis, press enter. Now you can observe sum of A and B is 30. This is the output of this program. The drawback of the Python command line environment and IDLE is these are interactive modes. When you type a statement, that will be executed by the Python interpreter immediately. But this is not a convenient method. If you want to execute multi-line program, so this is not a better approach. For that, you need to take a new file. Go to file, click on new file, write the program here. I am using the same code. Then now observe here, this is not interactive mode. At this time, I want to execute this program after completion of typing the 4 lines. But in the previous methods, that is Python command line, Python IDLE, when you type first line, that will be executed. Second line, at that time second line will be executed. But this approach is different. I have written these 4 lines. I want to save this. For that, click on the file and click on save as. Select the location where you want to save this file. Okay. Suppose I want to save this file at the desktop and click here. Give the file name. I am giving the file name as sum.py is compulsory. The extension of the Python program is .py. Save as type Python files, or you may select all files also. Then click on save. Now this file was saved. You can observe that file name here, sum.py. To execute, just click on run and we have the option run module. Just click on this. Then you will get the output sum of A and B is 30. This is the another method. After typing of the complete program, the program will be executed. This is the good approach.